Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can change a resume photo in a Canva template on mobile. So here I've already on the Canva apps, and I'm going to just start by searching for the resume template in Canva. Okay. So basically, resume usually contain with your self-portrait, and in here Canva provide with you with like an existing photo that you can change easily. So for example, I'm going to use this one, this template. Okay, so to easily change the photo, you can just click on the photo in the template like this, and then here at the bottom there's an option to replace it. Click on replace, and now you can just upload your own photo. So I'm going to click on upload files and then choose the photo. For example, okay, I'm going to add this. Okay, so now select the photo, and just like that it has been changed, but you can always adjust the position by double click on the photo and adjust it like this. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.